In this video, we'll be loading an IssueTrack file that we previously created into a new Navisworks session. Let's start Navisworks. Next, we'll launch IssueTrack. A dialog pops up that we saw previously. This time, we'll press the Load Existing File button. Before we do that, though, I'm going to talk quickly about this option to relink viewpoints from a certain folder. This is shown down here. This is the one exception to the unique viewpoint names rule. This feature is intended for those who prefer to copy their viewpoints over from meeting to meeting to a new folder. This process inevitably creates a conflict with the new viewpoints rule, as there would now be duplicate viewpoints in the Navisworks file. As a workaround to this, when you load in an IssueTrack file, you have the option to relink your viewpoints to your issue list by specifying a folder for the plugin to look for the viewpoints. Note that within the folder you choose, the viewpoint names still have to be unique. As a result of this option, the Enforce Unique Viewpoints option in the project settings will be turned off, so be cautious. Also note that when using this option, the import script will not be able to find any linked viewpoints outside of the folder you choose. We'll now load our IssueTrack file. You will need to do this for each Navisworks session. Locate the file for your project and hit Open. Note that if, since using the last project file, you have deleted viewpoints, the import script will present you an option to delete the issues for which linked viewpoints cannot be found. The IssueTrack file is now loaded into the plugin and you can proceed to use it. Next, we'll look at the Project tab. The Project Setup button displays the setup screen. You can edit any of your project fields here. There are two buttons for saving, Save and Save As. Save will save the project file that you have loaded. You can identify which file you have loaded by the file path below the button. If you have the Save on Document Save option enabled in the project settings, the file will automatically be saved every time you save your Navisworks file. Save Project As lets you save a new copy of your project as a new IssueTrack file. Load Project fires the startup script, letting you either start from scratch or load a new file. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be generating an issue report.